Hey YouTube, Carl's Cards. Got a 2024 Topps Chrome blaster to break. So get into it. Pretty good rookie crop. Plus there's the MVP buyback, so probably looking for Judge and Ohtani. Alright, so you get 7 packs, 4 cards per. Alright, so we got a pink Drew Milas rookie, Kershaw, there we go, Aaron Judge base, Aaron Nola shock or Ray Wave, I think, and a Jordan Lawler pink rookie. So I guess the Judge base, I guess usually 20 is the base. So. Cade Marlowe rookie. Got a Jazz for the Yankees. Sucks he's hurt right now. Jeff McNeil. Rutschman refractor. We got a Pete Crow Armstrong rookie. Bo Naylor. Adames, and a Corbin Carroll. Strokes insert. Got a nice Ellie base rookie. Chris Sale, Arias, Alika Williams, Prism, Sepia Bradley. 3 more packs. Looks like we got a probably numbered card. Save that one. Keaton Wynn rookie, Uribe rookie, Logan Webb, Bellinger refractor. Rendon base, Robbie Ray, Diaz, Corey Seager all etch. Eovaldi sepia. We got a Sheehan rookie, Gunner base, Matt Olson, Gomez pink, and then for the White Sox, Luis Robert, pretty nice mini diamond refractor out of 350. So, nice card. All in all, pretty solid blaster. The Judge base, Cruz, number card. So, can't complain. Thanks for watching. Peace.